Hey everybody, Greg Crawford here, and here we are. Today is day one of my special challenge that I've set up. I originally was going to do this just for myself, to just put myself through some type of challenge, just to clean up things with my health, my business, just get some momentum. I think a lot of times we overanalyze things and we get stuck in the same routines, the same patterns, and it's always good to every once in a while shift and try to get a breakthrough, um, for whatever that is for you. For me, it's a combination of health, my business, and just mental clarity. So for you, whatever that is, whatever goals you have, wherever you are, if you're stuck right now, maybe physically, with your health, maybe you're stuck emotionally, where you are in life, whatever it is, there's always a way to propel yourself and to start seeing results, get some momentum. Um, so here we are. This is day one. Not a whole lot to do for day one, so I'm not going to stress you out with a big to-do list for today. Basically, I just want to kind of go over what we have planned for the next 14 days at least. So I originally set this up to be a 100-day challenge for myself, and the 100-day challenge was going to consist of don't doing some form of exercise every single day for 100 days. It's also going to consist of removing something out, that's maybe a vice or holding me back. For me, I chose alcohol. Not that I'm a heavy drinker, but you know, the the glasses of wine at night, the beers on the weekend, it starts to add up. So I want to try to clean out my system, get real clear. Um, Especially now I'm having a daughter come this Friday. So I want to just, feel really good and really focused, and also, adding something else every day. And for me, it's going to be adding more value in the form of video and posting to my business pages more every single day, and recording a video every single day, even if it's just a short 30-second video up to 5 minutes, whatever it's going to be. But for this challenge, I'm not expecting you to do 100 days. We're going to just Sorry about that. We're going to keep it short, 14 days to get you started. Every single day, I'm going to post a new 5-minute video with something new that we're going to focus on each day to kind of build upon each day. If the 14 days goes really well and you want me to continue on, I can, push it out to 30 days to kind of keep you accountable, hold and keep you motivated and give you more um, items to focus on to help you get results with whatever goal that you want to achieve. So this week is going to be all about planning and prioritizing certain things. Um, Next week is going to be more about removing and making space. Um, I want to be like really clear that, in order to make progress, sometimes adding more doesn't work. So what we want to do is actually remove things and make things easier for you to implement. So that's the key is, really making it simple and simplifying your life, whether it's health, not getting too complicated on some crazy diet, some crazy workout routines, but you'll be surprised how keeping things more simple will actually help you and give and make you see more results and get you more progress. So this week is all about planning, prioritizing. Next week is all about subtraction, removing things. And then from there, we're going to start building upon that momentum. Okay. So that's really all I have for you today. I want you to think about number one, what do you have at your disposal for um, your fitness and your exercise? Do you have equipment at home? Do you have a gym membership? What's the weather like where you live? making sure that we're removing any possible excuses that might come along. So you want to have a backup plan for everything. So if normally your exercise routine is outdoors and you go a period, with bad weather, then you need to have something ready to go indoors. And whether that's, just a little body weight workout routine, even if it's a core exercising routine like Pilates, in-home yoga, whatever it is. If you can make it to the gym, then that's fine too. Don't need to give yourself a whole lot of time. 20 minutes a day is plenty of time. If you go to the gym, obviously that's going to extend your time frame. So you want to make sure you plan for that. And then as far as nutrition goes, I'm going to go more into the nutrition part of it and talk specifics throughout this week. But just for now, let's just focus on time management and getting prepared. Think about one vice that you want to remove, that you're going to take out over the next, 2 weeks to 4 weeks in this challenge. And then what are you going to add? What kind of value are you going to add? That's going to help you. Okay. So every day I plan on posting a video at 12 o'clock noon every day on YouTube. I'm going to send you the YouTube link so you'll know which page it's going to be on, and you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you can just keep up with that. You can watch it at any point. They're going to be short, less than 5 minutes, um, and I'll give you something to follow as well each day. Okay. So that's it for today. Um, Tomorrow is going to be a little more deeper. I'm going to go into some specifics of what we're going to plan out. Okay. So hope you have a good rest of the day. Let's get focused on yourself and improve whatever it is you want to improve upon. We're going to see a lot of progress over the next couple of weeks. Take care.